vitamins and minerals. They have compact heads and come in many sizes, shapes. Cabbage is an edible plant. They can be pickled, fermented for dishes, stewed, sauteed, or eaten raw. It is a multi-layered leafy vegetable. Some varieties have a waxy bloom on the leaves. The leaves can be smooth or crinkled. They are prepared in many different ways for eating. They can vary in color from green to red and purple. Most cabbages have thin alternating leaves with